Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I am going to discuss some important questions from the geography part of SST lesson number 4. The name of the chapter is Industrial Manufacturing for the CBSE students of class 10. So let us start the questions. Base mineral is used to harden steel during manufacturing. The answer is manganese. Next, how did the Bailadila iron ore field get its name? From the name of the Bailadila hill looking like a hump of an ox. Next question is, how is iron ore transported from the Kudirmukh mines to the port near Mangalore? It is ported through pipeline. What is thermal pollution? Thermal pollution is the hot water from factories and thermal plant drained into a river and ponds before cooling. Your next question is, write the full form of FDI, that is foreign direct investment. How will you classify industries on the basis of the source of raw materials, agro-based industries and mineral-based industries? Next question number 7 is, when and where was the first cement plant set up? The first cement plant was set up in 1904 in Chennai. Write the full form of SAL, Steel Authority of India Limited. Where does India stand in sugar productions? Second after Brazil. What is India's status in jute productions? Second after Bangladesh. So the first position is Bangladesh and in second is India. Mention two countries producing cotton textiles. So here countries means the Indian states, not the nation. So गुजरात एंड महाराष्ट्र इसको ट्विन स्टेट्स भी कहा जाता है. Which type of pollutions do industries mainly cause? Industries caused so many type of pollutions, but air pollution is most important and the dangerous ones. Question number 13. What type of industry is petrochemicals industry? Mineral based industry, that is petrochemical industry is included in mineral industry. Name the only self-reliant industry in India. The textile industry is the only self-reliant industry in our country, India. So, dear students, you have got some important questions and point and answers also. Thank you very much.